What's going on, guys? Today is finally the day that we are taking out the fully built CRF 110. I had a really bad issue with the forks. There's actually a stock OEM part that broke and it just hasn't allowed me to take this thing out yet. So you guys have been dying for some content with this thing. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And one more thing. So a couple weeks ago, I did that comparison video with the 350 versus the 450, the fully built 350 that Racer X had done, and David Pinger was there, let me ride it. Well, David hit me up and he let me know that if I wanted to, I could take that out. And I figured it was a perfect time because while the 450 is laying here in parts and pieces, I might as well go pick that thing up and spin some laps on it because I know you guys really enjoyed that. A lot of you guys that had a 350 or ridden a 350 reached out and let me know how much you guys like it. So I figured why not pick it up. We'll go maybe take it to the hills, maybe go out and spin some laps on some of the tracks out here that are finally opening up, thank God. But anyways, I'm gonna go pick that thing up and then we're gonna head out to my buddy Dustin and Kalana's house, and they just built a really cool 110 track and I can't wait to try this thing out. I've been dying to ride it, see how it handles with a little bit lifted suspension and not many power upgrades, but that exhaust sounds really good. So we'll go load this thing up, grab the 350, and then we'll see you guys out at the track. Oh, and I forgot to mention I put this GoPro mount right here, so I get to try that out today. So I'm really excited to show you guys that view. Feeling up on the way to the track. We went ahead and picked up the 350 from Ping. Pretty stoked to have this thing. He even got me my own numbers. I gotta throw them on though. Gotta clean it too. I haven't even cleaned it since the last time I rode it, but stoked to get some more footage on this thing. You good? My brakes don't work as good as I thought they did.
was a sight for my soul.